I know a new lip hate to see me coming, baby. I know it.
I'd rather be smoking weed whenever we breathe, every time you kiss.
Okay, beauties, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, there's that. So I wanted to go ahead and do a look with you all today, and I took my lash extensions off today, and my son looked at me like, what's wrong with you? I was like, nothing. So anyway, I wanted to plan some makeup with y'all today. I actually have a lot of new stuff. I want to like try on with y'all and like play with. So let's just go ahead and get started. I have already moisturized my face, cleansed and moisturized my face or whatever, my skin. So I'm going to go ahead and just do my brows. I've been loving this brow pencil by Maybelline. So we're going to use it. It's like a brow pen. So I'm gonna just use that. It's Maybelline Build a Brow, and I'm in the shade Black Brown. When I tell you, it's been making my brows look fabulous. They've been looking fabulous. I was waiting on him to be like, you know, he said it looked like you don't have any brows. I have an appointment to get a new set on Wednesday, but I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna just wait and just let them rest. But your girl be wanting the lashes, so it is what it is. And it kind of reminds me of the Anastasia brow pen, but the Anastasia one is very liquidy. Like, I have to worry about being very soft-handed with it. So I'm gonna take my REM concealer, REM Beauty. This is in the shade Tan 9W. I'm gonna use this to clean up under my brows. For eyes, I want to do like this fall inspired eye look, but I want to use this coffee shop palette by Juvia's Place. Y'all, she's that girl. I've used her probably once, but I haven't used her like I want to use her, if that makes very, very pretty. I slick feel like I've got this color from here when I did my eyes the other day, but that's neither here nor there. I'm going to take this shade right here to put in my crease. I'm gonna do a little patting motion. I'm gonna take the third shadow, which is here. I'm just patting my brush in there and patting it on my lid. I'm gonna take a brush to blend this out. We're just warming up the eye, basically. I'm gonna put some of this base. This is the P. Louise Skin Tone base. It's in the shade 01. I'm just putting a little bit on my brush, packing it right on my lid. Looking up a little bit so it can do what it needs to do. Cover all the bases. I'm gonna take this color right here and put it on my lid. Like I said, they don't have names, so I don't even know. Is it the color? I think that's the color I put on my lid. Just wanted to do something fall-y, you know? Nothing spectacular. I just wanted to do my makeup. I put that little deeper shade, the deepest shade in the palette, right there on the outer portion of my eye. I think I want to put one of those pigments on there, but I'm going to put this, I think it's like a setter, brow setter. It's on the end of that Build-A-Brow. We're going to put that on our brows to set it. This pewter from Believe Beauty. We're going to put a little bit of that on our lid. I'm not going to do a lot. I'm just going to do a little. Because it's like a silvery goldy color. We're gonna put our lashes on in a minute. Let's go ahead and prime our face. I'm going to use this Jelly Pop primer from e.l.f. I'm gonna use a little bit of this MAC primer. I'm gonna take this Huda Beauty concealer in the shade Crumble. I'm gonna put that in my inner corner of my eye. My problem is I am stuck on these Sephora ones so bad. We're gonna figure it out though. This is 44Y. Let's take my Juvia's Place cream bronzer. I'm in the shade Amber. I have Amber and Cocoa, but we're gonna take Amber and just put it in the areas where I want to warm my face up. And I'll put it on my nose once I'm done blending out my concealer. I went ahead and used the About Face foundation as my foundation, but I put it only like here and maybe a little bit here. This is About Face. This is the Performer foundation. I'm in the shade D1 Neutral. Amazing foundation. I love it a lot. I love it a lot. I'm gonna blend this out under my eye a little bit more. I'm gonna grab some of this cream contour again and put it on my nose. Okay, now that we've done that nose, we're gonna go ahead and set our face. Let's use the Cherry Blossom Cake by Huda. I love it. I can't help it. I can't help it. I can't help it. I don't even know you. That there, carve us out, all dressed up with nowhere to go, honey. Let's take this Jacqueline palette. I forgot I had this, y'all, because I've been using the individual one, but I forgot I had this like for myself to like try out. So we're gonna take, oh, these are in, see, this ain't the one. We're gonna take the lighter one. I'm gonna take this little elf sponge and we're gonna take Apricot and Hazelnut, which are the top two, and we're just gonna press it up under our eye. Some people use press powder before they use the actual loose powder. I just do what I want. I'm gonna be real honest with you. I just do what I want. I do what I want. It just brightens me up. Love that. Let's take our Glowish by Huda. This is in Rich. We're gonna use this and we're gonna take this brush. This reminds me of a this reminds me of Hourglass. They're giving very much Hourglass. I don't have new like setting powders or anything, so we're going to use what we have. I'm going to take my Fenty 410 powder and I'm going to use that to set all over my entire face. Sets everywhere. Blend it all together. It looks good though. Good and warm. Good and warm. Yeah, I went ahead and popped those lashes on because what I'm gonna tell you is, baby, there's multiple, there's different types of content being filmed at the same time. That's all I got for you. That's all I know. Okay. But these lashes are cute. If you follow me on TikTok, they are in my showcase. It'll take you right to them. The same brand and everything. So pretty. I haven't been able to try on any of these lashes, and I be trying to figure out why my clients be tripping. Girl, these are cute. They're long, but they're like flirty long. You know what I'm saying? I think they're really, really cute. When y'all see how cheap these lashes are, y'all gonna flip it out. I'm going to take one size Rich Beach. We're going to use that as our blush today. I'm going to take my sponge and blend that out. This looks a little heavy-handed, sis. You look a little heavy-handed. I'm going to take... Yeah, this is Juvia's Cola. I'm going to take Sugar Boo by Huda. It's getting dark outside there. But it's not even dark. It's not even late. What time is it? It's about to be 4. Never mind. That doesn't make it late though. But I like this nude. It's really, really cute. Ooh, that smells good. She has a sale going on right now too. I got another one of these. Y'all, I have not worn strips in at least a year. And then I'm gonna take the shade Ice, this lifter gloss. I've been loving these lifter glosses. This one, bubblegum, taffy. It's like a peach slice or something like that. I love them all. They look good. Okay, y'all, so that's the finished look, girl. It's been a little chaotic, like trying to do, when you try to film YouTube videos, short form videos, like all at the same time, sis, it don't work. It does not work. Don't forget to set your face, because I often forget to set my face after I do my makeup. This is Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I think they have a holiday 2-pack she's been coming out with for the last 3 years. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get it. I should have got it during the Sephora sale, but I think she has a sale on her website for a little bit more, so we're gonna do that. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's just a simple, cute fall look. I know a new lip hate to see me coming, baby. I know it. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Leave some questions, any suggestions down below in the comment sections. Talk to me, I talk back. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, beauties.